Recording in progress. Okay. When a book is kept on the surface of table, the book exerts action on table, and table gives reaction to the book. Right. Your exam will be MCQ form or it will be theory, MCQ, numerical?
Sir, written.
Theory.
Written. Okay. Because one of the school is keeping MCQ based.
No, sir. Sir,
No,
I
don't have
asked.
MCQ. We have written.
Sir, like we asked that in 10th how it is that 15 marks.
Acha, that pattern they will keep?
No, so they told no, for 10th it will be like that, and for 9th it will be full written.
Okay.
First 3 questions compulsory and then optional.
Okay. So, right. First example written.
1 minute.
Sir, wait.
Yashri understood this one? Vedanshu?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Venantra?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Vedansh?
Yes, sir, I got it.
Okay. Nimay?
Yes, sir. Got it.
Nimay, any doubt and anything you have missed, just wait after the class so that I can keep extra class for you in case you have any doubt.
Okay.
Just
Sir,
wait.
I don't have any.
Acha, ठीक. Anytime doubt comes, na, just call me. I will keep extra class. Because 9 to 10 evening, 10 to 11 evening, I can keep. Na? Written, shall I clear it off?
Sir, 2 minutes.
Any test I have told today?
No, sir. Sir, we wrote that.
Yes, sir, you have Tuesday.
I think today I have.
CC ka test.
Which test?
Last class we had CC test.
That too you gave, no? So I have given you the paper.
No, this class I don't think we need.
Correct.
Yeah, sir. Done.
Yeah? Okay. Shall I clear? Everybody has done?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Second example. While moving on the ground, where we exert force, backward or forward?
Forward.
No, forward. अपना पैर चलो जरा चल के देखो.
Backward.
Backward. Forward जाएंगे तो उल्टे हो जाएंगे ना. So while moving on the ground, we exert force by our feet. In which direction? Backward. We exert force by our feet backwards, na? On ground. And ground gives reaction in forward direction. Hence, we can move in forward direction. The action and reaction never acts on the same body. The action and reaction never acts on the same body. They act simultaneously on two different balls. Action, reaction, forces are always in pair. Action, reaction, forces are always in pair.
Done.
Okay.
Sir, just a second.
Written?
Yeah, sir, done.
This chapter is just full of examples of action and reaction. I'm drawing one diagram. You tell me if A and B collides with each other, force acting on B due to A is action force. So where will be the reaction? A is giving force to B. That is action
B
force.
will
What
also
B
give
will do?
force to A.
How much it will give?
Utna hi force.
In which direction it will give?
Opposite.
Opposite direction.
Opposite. So can I say force acting on A due to B is reaction force?
Reaction force. Yes.
That means if BA is on the right, then AB is on the left. This is on the right, so AB is on the left.
Correct.
So can I say in vector form FAB का उल्टा is FBA? FAB is negative, left. Minus of minus will become plus. Hello?
Yeah.
So if they say in action reaction, if F bar is one force, what will be other force? You will write minus F bar. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Draw this diagram, write this much. Any of you have last year's question paper?
No.
Can you get last 2-3 years question paper? Not possible?
Sir, we can try.
Not sure, sir.
Just try so that we can do revision from that. Even I will search if I get from some of my friends. So first action reaction was collision. A is giving force to B, B is giving to A. Magnitude they are equal, direction wise they are opposite. Done. Shall I clear again?
Sir, one second.
Okay.
Sir, you have written F and then in subscript you have written B and AB. No?
F, like we write 1, 2, so I've written F P A, F A. That's it.
Okay. Sir, so first letter is the one which is receiving the force and
Correct.
second letter
And second is who is giving. So force acting on B by A, force acting on A by B.
Okay.
Now can I clear it?
Sir, one.
Okay. Your teacher has started with the fifth that chapter heat.
No, sir, laws of motion are only not done.
Acha.
Sir, teacher finished gravitation today.
Okay.
But the laws of motion is done now with gravitation.
E part is gravitation.
Sir, ma'am then did the whole chapter.
All numericals also.
Numerical is like ma'am did till 11 to 12, and I think now she'll give everything as homework. She'll not take any other session.
No, by this Sunday we will also complete. Don't worry. Shall I clear now?
She did not explain only this 3D wala part.
No, teacher will not do so much now.
She
Can I
will
clear
not do
this?
anything in 3D.
No.
Action is for every reaction there is reaction khatam 3D.
वो उनका वैसे ही रहता है ना. Can I clear it off now?
हाँ.
चलो. Second one, pushing a wall. So if this is wall, a person is applying force to the wall. What wall will give? Reaction? Hello?
Yes.
So can I say when we exert a force on wall, it is called as action. Correct or not? Is it called action?
Yes, sir.
Then wall gives reaction on our palm. Not followed.
Follow.
So when I apply, suppose I hit a wall, अचानक मेरा हाथ दुखेगा, नीचे का डायरेक्शन में हाथ कर दूंगा ना मैं. So action was up, reaction is down. Are they equal opposite? So they can ask you, classify which is action, which is reaction. A person applying force getting exertion on the palm. So applying is action, getting exertion is reaction. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, write down. Third one. Motion of a boat moving away from the shore. Suppose this is a shore and here there is a boat. I want to put this boat in the water. Here it is sand. So directly we'll start with the help of oar, or first you will try to push it and bring here closer to this.
First we'll put it into the water.
Yes. So what the person does, he has a ऐसा बड़ा bamboo रखता है वो, तो bamboo से push करता है sand में, तो ये आगे आ जाता है. And then he uses that oar to move it in the water. So when the boatman wants to move the boat away from the shore, नहीं समझा लगता है? शोर मतलब बीच ना, बीच के पास ना.
हाँ.
अभी पानी में लेके जाने का है, तो क्या करेगा, इसको पहला एक बैम्बू रखेगा, पुश करेगा सैंड में, तो ये थोड़ा आगे जाएगा ना, बिकॉज ऑफ दैट फोर्स.
हाँ.
So that means when he pushes the shore by bamboo with his oar, that is action. The shore will push the boat away from it and it will come in water. That is reaction. How many of you have been to Goa?
Sir,
Vedanta has gone.
I have.
Yes, this Goa is famous for what? Temple and church.
Beaches, sir.
Beaches,
Beaches.
yes. So when you go to the beach, many times we enjoy the boat ride,
yeah.
speedboat ride, banana boat ride. So many boats are there, na? So first he will call you in the water, swim करके आओ, इधर से boat पकड़ो.
नहीं.
मतलब ऐसा सी है, आप इधर है, बोलते हैं कम 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 स्विम करके आओ, इधर से आपको हायर करता है क्या वो? He is on the shore, ना? So that you can put yourself inside that. तो पहला push करता है एक bamboo से. Then he moment enter in the water, अभी speedboat चालू करेगा, either by motor or by oar, ना? So that bamboo is applying the force on the shore. What is that called? Action.
Yes.
And the shore is pushing that boat in the water. What is that called?
Reaction.
Reaction. Yes. So have you
सर पर
written?
इधर तो दोनों एक ही डायरेक्शन में हो गए ना.
नहीं. Bamboo is putting the force backward. अपना बोट जा रहा है फॉरवर्ड पानी के अंदर, तो ऑपोजिट हुआ क्या? नहीं.
सर कैसे, मुझे बैम्बू का समझा नहीं कैसे सर.
पहला हेडिंग लिखा, रब करो.
हाँ. मना नहीं एक सेकंड.
हाँ?
मोशन ऑफ बोट मूविंग.
Motion of a boat moving away from the shore. Motion of a boat moving away from the shore.
Okay.
Now see how it is.
So, sir, when
Excellent,
the
excellent,
when
excellent, excellent. This is water. This is water. Here there is shore, which is having sand. तो पहला पुश करके वो थोड़ा थोड़ा 2-3 जन उठा के इधर लेके आते बोट को. Then he has a bamboo बड़ा ऐसा, तो इसको थोड़ा पुश करता है पानी के अंदर. तो बाम्बू से पहला फोर्स इधर अप्लाई करेगा, तो उससे रिएक्शन मिलेगा. इमेजिन इंक्लाइन बाम्बू ऐसा पीछे पुश करूंगा तो क्या होएगा? लाइक पर्सन डज द स्की, आइस स्केटिंग, आइस स्की, तो उसके पास 2 रॉड रहता है ना, ऐसा वो आदमी के पास ऐसा 2 रॉड रहता है ना, इसके हाथ में पीछे पुश करते रहता है और आगे आगे जाता है. देखा ऐसा स्नो पे?
हाँ.
तो इधर वो क्या करता है, एक हाथ से बोट को बाम्बू से पीछे करता है, तो जैसे ही इधर पुश मारता है, ये उसको रिएक्शन मिलता है, पानी के अंदर आ गया, तो अभी उसको बाम्बू का जरूरत नहीं है, फिर वो बैठ के ओर से करता है ऐसा, और मोटर बोट रहेगा तो उसको चालू.
धक्का नहीं मारता.
अभी 2-3 जन रहेंगे तो धक्का मार देंगे, अकेला रहेगा तो क्या करेगा वो? तो बाम्बू का मदद लेता है ना.
मतलब वो बाम्बू कैसे डाल के उसके से ऊपर के साइड बाम्बू को करता है.
हाँ भाई, ऐसा एक इतना बड़ा बाम्बू रखता है वो,
हाँ.
तो इसको थोड़ा पुश करता है ऐसा, तो इसको थोड़ा आगे जर्क मिलता है ना. एंड देन इट मूव्स अवे. वंस इट मूव्स अवे, तो बाम्बू का काम खत्म, वो शोर पे फेंक देता है, कोई चुराएगा नहीं, उसका पहचान वाला रास्ता है वो. देन इट गोस अगेन, कम्स बैक अगेन, डज द सेम प्रिंसिपल.
हाँ.
गॉट इट?
या.
So can I say, when boatman wants to move boat away from shore, because all the time he's not keeping in water, if possible it brings it to the shore. Now he want to move away from the shore. He pushes the shore by a bamboo. This is called as action. कभी कभी और से भी कर लेता है इजीली अगर होगा तो, नहीं तो बाम्बू रखता है. This is called as action. Then the shore pushes the boat away. बोट मतलब बोटमैन के साथ में, बोट अवे.
So इधर shore मतलब land ना?
हाँ, शोर मतलब वो बीच. यस, with an equal and opposite force called as reaction. And when it is in water, no need of bamboo. Then with the oar, he pushes the water behind, boat moves forward. This was moving away from shore. Then second will be how it is moving in the water. Once you are done, please tell her. Shall I clear it?
Done.
Sir, when will we have a test for 3D?
Tuesday you have test. See, I have told on the planner I have given. Tuesday you have test.
Okay.
Tuesday only I have told. No, Sunday what I have written. I think in the planner I have given it. Can you see test on 3A, 3B, 3C, 3D on Tuesday, 31st?
Yeah, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, like in this 3D, we do not have any formulas or anything.
No, it is only theoretical part. So shall I clear this now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Motion of boat moving in water. In water with the help of oar.
So this will be 4 now.
Fourth it was okay. First we did action, in water with the help of oar, the boatman applies force, that is action, in backward direction. Hence, water exerts equal and opposite force in forward direction. Due to this reaction, boat keeps moving in water. If you have done boating, you might have experienced this.
Yeah,
Yeah.
sir. Sir, like when we push it, like when we push the oar, the boat goes in the opposite direction.
Same principle, no action. reaction are in opposite direction.
We take the oar ahead, then we go behind, and we take the oar behind, then we go ahead.
Correct. That means always opposite. Completed. Some singer has come in our entered in our meeting.
Yes, sir.
Completed. Fourth one.
Sir, one
Sir, one
second.
second.
See, imagine yourself riding the boat. Then it will be easy. When you want to ride the boat, पीछे पीछे और करेंगे तो आगे आगे जाएगा ना.
So to answer these sort of questions, you have to only picture yourself in the scenario.
Very true. Imagine that you are that particular person. Then see how easy you can understand. Can I clear it?
Sir, but this law also has its flaws, right?
Everything will have some flaw, na?
Sir, I have a doubt. Okay, when we push an object in the front direction,
Ah.
the reaction is, that is the action, the reaction is by friction.
Reaction is by friction, not in all cases. It can be by friction, it can be by restoring forces.
No, sir. So if I'm pushing
Yes, sir.
See, if it is rough surface, like on the ground when you are moving, then friction is giving you that help.
Like, sir, for example, if we are pushing some sort of block,
Ah.
the block moves forward, but there's no reaction.
No. See, again, you have not understood. You are pushing the block in backward, your hand is getting pain, na? That is reaction.
Sir, can you?
If the block is heavy, you are pushing it, correct?
Yes, sir.
So your hand is getting pain, na? That is reaction.
and
Oh,
the block is
Because
applying.
action is on the block, reaction is on your hand.
Yeah.
अभी पानी में आपने एक्शन किया, पानी को रिएक्शन थोड़ी मिला, रिएक्शन किसको मिला? बोट को मिला ना. Okay. Namrata, Ivani, you wait after the class
Okay, sir.
because I have seen you. That is your paper only. Now you are telling it is not your paper. So wait after the
Only
class.
the last page is not my paper. It's not part of my.
Then don't issue that na notice.
No, but then you have not corrected one of the paper. One of the page.
Total mark you have seen.
Yes, sir.
Next time onwards, please send PDF. As I told, I am not correcting the paper. I forward it. So for that, it is very difficult for that person to manage all the loose sheets. First page pe name is there. He can manage. Handwriting he can check. Because we are not having physical format. It is only virtual.
Okay, sir.
Then also I will do my level best to check again. Fifth one. Firing a bullet from gun. Whenever we have to fire a bullet, then we have to strike that trigger.
The trigger
So
moves in the
first
opposite
trigger is
direction.
in backward direction. दबाते हैं ना उसको.
Sir, that is
So
something.
with that
is
what
in-
happens? अंदर spring रहता है, वो coil हो जाता है, recoil. जैसे ही छोड़ा, it gives the restoring force in forward direction. Hello? Suppose this is one gun. Design देखो बराबर नहीं है. Here there is a trigger. When you push it, then the trigger what? It pulls the spring backward. Moment you leave, that spring gives the force and it comes outward direction. Okay? That means when a man fires a bullet from gun, force F is exerted on the bullet. That is called action. Due to which this gun recoils backward. Na? The person, see, if you have seen a war movie, तो
Yes.
उनका हाथ ऐसा पीछे 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 आता रहता है ना. So that gun they keep on the shoulder, so that when they fire, the shoulder is strong. It moves slightly back. लेकिन अगर पेट पे रख के फायर करेंगे तो जोर का झटका जोर से लगेगा, जो खाया रहेगा सब बाहर आ जाएगा ना। बट इफ इट इज मशीन गन तो लोग कैसा करते हैं, ऐसा जमीन पे रख देते हैं ना गन को ऑन द ट्राइपॉड, देन इट कीप्स ऑन फायरिंग द बुलेट बुलेट बुलेट, एंड इसका रिएक्शन उनको थोड़ा थोड़ा लगता है, एंड दैट बेस इज स्ट्रांग, तो जितना प्रेशर नहीं बैठे। बट इफ दे कैरी दैट machine gun with hand, then jerk in backward direction will be more. Hello?
Yeah.
Have you ever
हाँ sir, but
busted
they
the
carry
balloon?
machine guns only in movies.
No, even in war they have that. So if you have seen war movies, they keep the gun on the ground.
They
Then
use
it
machine
keeps on
guns only
firing.
from bunkers, or it's
Yes.
too heavy to run.
And
sir.
suppose they keep in their hand, then it will give reaction very huge because action is very large. So chances are there they will damage their body. So that's why they keep on the ground and they keep on firing.
गन पूरा ऊपर चला जाएगा, ऊपर की तरफ उड़ाने लगेगा बुलेट।
Like they put it on the like this.
On the surface, on the surface.
So
On the
sir, when
rock.
they keep the
They
gun
put
on
it
the
on a
shoulder,
rock.
the reaction force is on the air क्या behind the.
No, on the shoulder. Have you ever that's it, अगर हम लोग जाते हैं ऐसा some माथेरान महाबलेश्वर, तो ऐसा वो लोग बलून लगा के रखते हैं, फिर बोलते हैं जरा मारो, तो when you hit it से अपना हाथ थोड़ा पीछे आता है ना,
हाँ.
so that is our reaction. Recoil it is called. It is called recoil. So when recoil. So when man fires a bullet from gun, force F is exerted on the bullet. That is called action. And gun experiences reaction and gets recoiled. Right. Gets recoiled. See this Taliban people, they carry rocket launcher. देखा ऐसा बड़ा बड़ा रहता है उनके पास, तो रॉकेट लॉन्चर बोलते हैं उसको.
हाँ sir, but in rocket launcher the forces opposite force is so large that they पूरा हिल जाते हैं पीछे.
हाँ तो उसके लिए आदमी स्ट्रॉन्ग चाहिए ना, तो कभी कभी लोग जीप में रखते हैं.
हाँ यूजुअली अगर वो लोग शोल्डर पे लेते हैं तो एकदम गिर ही जाते हैं पीछे.
नॉर्मल आदमी रहेगा तो सामने वाला भी गिरेगा और ये भी गिरेगा. हाँ. और साउथ इंडियन मूवी रहेगा तो बुलेट जाके वापस आएगा और फिर से उनको मारेगा. Return, fourth point, fifth point. Bullet coming out is action. Gun going behind is called reaction. So they can ask you which is action, which is reaction. Bullet coming out is what? Action or reaction?
Action.
And recoil of the gun?
Reaction.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, yes, say. I can hear. Say. Be quick. Completed 5 point.
Yes.
Okay. See, the gun was not designer gun, ना? नहीं तो आप बोलते कौन सा गन दिखा दिया.
But sir, technically pulling the trigger was the action.
Yes, correct. चलो next देखते हैं अभी क्या. How many of you have seen rocket getting launched? In which movie you saw this?
Mission Mangal.
Mission Mangal. That rocket was taking a satellite, ना?
Yeah.
तो लोग ऐसा बोलते हैं ना, रॉकेट लॉन्चर किधर है? आपका बिल्डिंग के ऊपर है क्या?
हाँ सर, वो फायर क्रैकर वाला है.
अच्छा, मतलब बाजू वाले के घर पे भी जाता है कभी कभी.
हाँ.
तो जनरली रॉकेट लॉन्चर प्रैक्टिकली किधर है? श्री हरिकोटा ना?
हाँ, one is in South
उड़ीसा के
India.
पास में, बराबर?
I think no, yes, sorry.
वाइजैक के पास है, वाइजैक के पास में, क्लोज टू उड़ीसा.
हाँ, वाइसा.
तो ऐसा क्यों वो लोग ने उधर ही किया, अपना बिल्डिंग पे क्यों नहीं कर दिया रॉकेट लॉन्चर?
सर, क्योंकि एपीजे अब्दुल कलाम वहाँ पे रहते थे.
अच्छा, तो रोज वो देख के खुश हो जाते हैं.
The reaction force से building टूट जाता है.
That is one, correct. Second,
हाँ,
ये रॉकेट
और
तो लॉन्च
atmosphere.
किया, पता चला बराबर लॉन्च नहीं किया, खुद की निकल गया, तो दूसरे घर पे गिरेगा ना, दूसरा बिल्डिंग गिरेगा ना फिर.
सर,
If this
collateral
launching
damage
is
हो
गिर
जाएगा.
गया
not
तो सब कुछ
successful,
टूट जाएगा.
yes, and this launching is not successful, around this Sriharikota there is Bay of Bengal, means a sea. So if it falls in the sea, chalega na. But if it is
हाँ.
falls on the civilian place, then many people will get expired. Not inspired, they will get expired. फिर सोचो क्या मत सब expired हो गए. So they get expired. To avoid all this, it is kept near the sea rocket launchers. Then do counting 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1, push. So that 7, 4, 2, 1 से इधर से क्या निकलता है?
Yes.
Gas. Gas comes out through small opening called as nozzle. What is a small opening called?
Nozzle.
Through small opening, when gas comes out, it exerts large pressure. Due to this downward action, this will get propelled in forward direction. That is called repulsion or propulsion. It is called propulsion.
हाँ.
So action is downward, reaction is upward. Then at every moment that rocket will remove itself. There are 2-3 stages of rocket. पहला में ये फायर होके निकल जाएगा because एक साथ इतना गैस, if it comes out, then it will be having drastic change in mass.
Yeah.
And that much fuel cannot be carried in one body. तो ये निकल जाएगा तो देखो ऐसा दिखता है कभी-कभी. Something is coming out strip जैसा. If you have seen on the TV.
हाँ.
So that strips are nothing but all different rocket का ऐसा bodies. तो इसका गैस निकला खत्म, ये खत्म. Then at some point it will become stable, and that horizontal push is given, and if that push is proper, it will move in a circle and finally get launched on the surface of Mars or Moon, wherever we want, if the program is set proper. Otherwise it will wander in the space. That's why our नहीं एक ऐसा हो गया ना, मिशन अपना फ्लॉप हो गया. देखो, we all were waiting morning. Our prime minister was also present, but it could not land itself properly. Correct?
Yeah.
Because इधर से आया, फिर इधर से पास हो गया, किधर गया दिख नहीं रहा था. Other side is behind that observatory. So they are feeling कि अगर 2-3 साल का चक्कर मार के फिर उधर आया ऑर्बिट में, chances are there it can land on it. So rocket motion. In rocket, do we have fuel in the form of gas?
Yeah.
Which is burnt. Na?
Yeah.
And then it comes downward through small nozzle, which is action.
Yeah.
This downward gas will give reaction and rocket will move in upward direction. So can I say propulsion of rocket is nothing but Newton's third law? So they can ask you, rocket motion is based on Newton's which law? Which law? Third law of motion. Which law?
Third.
The swimmer swims. Which law?
What's that?
The swimmer swims. Which law?
Third.
A body collides. Which law?
Third law.
Third.
No, collide is not third law.
Sir, third law, na?
Third law is if it comes behind after collision. That is third law, not to every action.
Sir, third law is like a reaction भी होता है ना if a body collides.
Third law में
देखो यही तो कंफ्यूज करेंगे वो लोग. बॉडी कोलाइड होके पीछे आया तो रिएक्शन. बॉडी जस्ट कोलाइडेड तो खाली एक्शन था ना.
हाँ.
रिटर्निंग ऑफ बॉडी बैक इज रिएक्शन. बराबर रीड
हाँ
करना.
सर, तो पुशिंग ऑफ बॉल कैसे आया थर्ड लॉ?
हाँ सर, फिर that
फिर
will
से
also be
वापस
only
देखो, आप वापस
action,
बराबर
no?
नहीं सोच रहे. पुशिंग ऑफ बॉल एक्शन था. अपना पाम में जो दर्द हुआ वो रिएक्शन था. इट हर्ट्स आवर पाम, दैट इज रिएक्शन ना.
हाँ.
हाँ सर, तो फिर अगर बॉडी कोलाइड होगा तो लाइक
अगर ये बहुत हैवी बॉडी है तो चांस है ना इसका इफेक्ट कम पड़ा. ये बहुत छोटा बॉडी है, बहुत हैवी बॉडी, तो क्या फर्क पड़ेगा ये बॉडी को? कुछ पड़ेगा.
नहीं.
So if they say this body is colliding, then this collision was providing action to the body. The body which is putting that collision effect, उसके ऊपर रिएक्शन बैठ भी सकता है. नहीं तो चांस है कि वो इतना छोटा है कि फोर्स होएगा, एक्सेलरेशन कम हो सकता है ना, मास बहुत छोटा रहेगा.
हाँ.
See what I mean to say, Just check carefully the wordings. अगर उन्होंने बोला gas is coming out, is this reaction?
नहीं,
No.
वो action है.
Rocket moving up, that is called reaction.
Yeah.
So read carefully and then predict your results.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. If body ka velocity changes, it is action or reaction? Nothing.
Reaction.
Nothing. It is Newton's second law. You applied force, acceleration हो गया.
अगर
But sir,
specify
isn't it
किया-
a reaction to force being applied?
For action reaction, there should be two bodies.
और opposite direction ना?
And suppose you are driving
But sir,
a car.
how will force
you are
be applied
putting-
if there is no other body?
Have you heard about accelerator?
Yes, sir.
कार के अंदर accelerator रहता है ना?
Yes, sir.
तो कार का ही पार्ट है ना?
हाँ सर, बट किसी को तो पेडल पे दबाना पड़ता है.
So you are applying what? Action?
Yes, the action is pressing the acceleration thing.
But that car is moving ahead due to reaction? No, due to force, na? Newton's second law. Force is ma.
Yes, sir, that it.
So that's why I said, okay, read carefully what they have given. Because second law, third law, sometimes it can be confusing. कि कौन सा second है, कौन सा third. So body being accelerated is second law. Body getting reaction is third law. अब एक ट्रक आके धक्का मारा गाड़ी को और ट्रक थोड़ा पीछे आया तो ये एक्शन रिएक्शन हो गया ना. In a rocket, fuel is burned and gases are ejected out through nozzle. This is called as action. The ejected gas offers reaction to the rocket, due to which it moves upwards. Written? Completed?
Yeah, sir. 1 second.
ओहो भव्या.
Hey,
अरे वाह भव्या, बहुत अच्छा.
भव्य कुछ एक्शन दे रहा है लगता है.
सर रिएक्शन.
ये रिएक्शन था भव्या.
अच्छा रिएक्शन.
नहीं सर, पीछे से मम्मी आएगी, गाल पे 4 डंडी पड़ जाएगी, वो रिएक्शन आएगा.
Okay. Can I clear this?
This-
Rocket motion. Yes, done. Completed. Do fast. Done.
Done, sir.
See, suppose you are taking a boat ride and finally you come to the shore. Then we jump out of the boat, na?
Yes, sir.
So that boatman he holds your hand and he says ki gently you come out. Because when you jump, you apply force backward. Then chances are that you are forward, but this foot will again get moved on the shore.
Go in the water.
So again, he has to pull it towards the shore. Again, second person will go. It will be tough task for him. So what he
सर
does?
आगे पीछे होते रहेगा.
नहीं, generally वो क्या करता है, देखो क्या करता है, he is selling one rope और रस्सी से बांध देता है उसको बोट. Then he asks you to come down. If you have gone to Gateway, you might have experienced this. Have you gone to Gateway of India and taken that boat ride?
Yes, sir.
So when it approaches, then they tie the thick rope with some support. Have you seen that? It is called hanger. It is called actually anchoring. They anchor it, and then they ask us to come out, or they hold our hand so that gently we come out. Otherwise, boat will be pushed backward due to reaction. Have you seen any cricketer while catching the ball? क्या करता है वो?
सर फॉलो लाइक हाथ को पीछे लेते हैं.
हाथ को पीछे ले लेता है. उससे दो फायदा होता है. एक, time for which the ball is in hand increases. So force, which is the rate of change of momentum, decreases. मतलब हाथ पे कम लगेगा. Same way when it's catching, तो हाथ पीछे ले लेता है ना अभी, because action दिया, हाथ पीछे आता है थोड़ा reaction. So while catching the ball, he exerts force on the palm of the cricketer so that he exerts equal and opposite force on the ball. तो जितना एक्शन है उससे हाथ बंद कर लेता है, so that reaction may not take the ball outside. Correct? तो जब भी कैच करते हैं, दोनों हाथ ओपन रखा है ऐसा, तो बॉल हाथ में आके वापस नीचे गिर जाएगा ना, तो झट से हाथ फोल्ड कर लेता है ना वो, so that reaction and action gets cancel each other. Got it? Now page number 73. Can you see in your textbook page number 73? Page number 73, numerical. First one. A boy pushes a ball towards east. If this is wall, a boy is pushing it 10 Newton in east direction. Is this action?
Yes.
So force exerted by ball equals to 10 Newton, but towards where? East or west? Towards west, in opposite direction. So action was 10 to east. Reaction is force exerted by ball 10 Newton towards west. Write the first sum. Shall I clear this?
Sir, 1 minute.
Okay. Now I'm rubbing this, okay?
Yes, sir.
Second.
1 second.
So much time to do, then we will be very slow. Do it fast.
Yes.
Shall I clear it?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. A block of 15 Newton weight is hanging from rigid support. What is the force exerted by the block on the string. So block is applying 15 Newton force in downward direction, and string will apply on the block tension of 15 Newton. Clear? So they are telling name them. So name them means this is weight equals to W equals to 15 Newton downward, tension upward. So force exerted by the block, force exerted by block on string equals to its weight, that is 15 Newton downward. B. Force exerted by string on block equals to 15 Newton upwards, that is called tension. So upward force tension which is exerted by the string, and weight exerts force on the string which is downward. D part we have completely completed. Now we will start with gravitation. Anybody is going to give Homi Baba exam?
No sir, मन तो था पर time
Sir, we
नहीं
had
मिला.
given.
Okay.
Yeah, sir. In 6th standard we are given.
Okay. 9th also they have, I think. Huh?
Yeah, sir.
Done this much?
Yeah, sir.
So don't erase.
Done now? Who got
No,
disconnected?
sir, 1 minute.
Done, sir.
Abhik, you are there? Abhik?
Yes.
Okay. Nimay? Heading right. E part now we are doing gravitation. Very important for 11th standard. Gravitation.
Sir, you're
Every-
starting now?
Yeah, just one definition we can start. Huh?
Okay,
You have
sir.
lecture?
No, sir.
No, no. These are suppose particle of matter. These are particle of another body, matter. Each matter attracts the other particle. So Newton suggested if body is having mass, then it will be made up of matter. If body is having mass, it will be made up of matter. Every particle of a matter is attracted by every particle of another matter. So between them there will be some force. For that force, they are actually coming in contact? Not necessary, na? So if this is one body, this is another body at large distance, still they will attract. No need to actually touch each other. So this is contact force or non-contact force? Non-contact force. So first state, Newton's law of gravitation. If this chapter is taught, then Newton's first law and Newton's law of gravitation, definitely it will be asked in the exam. State Newton's law of gravitation. According to Newton's law of gravitation, the force of attraction between two bodies is first directly proportional to the product of their masses, and second, inversely proportional to the square of distance between them. Please write this much: directly proportional to product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. Directly proportional to the product of their masses and inversely proportional to square of distance between them. And don't leave the meeting. I will take attendance, then you have to leave. Shall I clear? Can I clear
No,
this?
sir.
What you are saying, no or yes?
No. Sir, today is the test also, right?
No, today's no test.
Acha, we have to do homework.
Can I clear it now?
Yeah, sir.
Thoda sa explanation and then we'll stop. Suppose this is one mass M1. This is another mass M2. Distance between them is R. Then this will be attracted towards second one. So I can say force acting on first due to second and force acting on second due to first will be in one line attracting each other. Hello? So let M1 comma M2 be two masses separated by distance small r. Can anybody suggest me what will be the ratio of forces acting on two bodies? Ratio of force?
1:1.
1:1. Very good. So the force, the magnitude of force of attraction between them, comma, F proportional product of mass M1 M2, inverse means 1 upon R square. F is G M1 M2 upon R square. Only you will write till this. Next class I will explain what is G, what is its value, what is its SI.
Sir,
This much
ahead
you
the-
write. Huh?
In the first R ahead the arrow, the first diagram,
Hmm.
at the arrow, what have you done? Like you have written something.
No, this is arrow. This is arrow. Here I have written R. R means distance between two
You have
masses.
put lines ahead arrow.
Huh?
You have put two line. You have put that line arrow.
This is arrow. This is arrow. This is R. And here
Okay,
I
that
put
line-
line, drawn line. Line is between M1 and M2. Just present.
Yes,
Just
sir.
present. Arav.
Yeah.
Sir,
Am I-
is it R square or R?
Arey Abhi, be intelligent. What you have written square of distance na? So it will be definitely R square.
Yes, sir. I just confirm.
Nimai present. Abhi. Bhavya.
Absent.
Okay, absent. Bhavya absent.
No, sir,
Yeah.
present.
Ivani absent.
Present, sir.
Khushbu.
Present, sir.
Shamyak.
Present, sir.
Kavya.
Present, sir.
Vedant.
Present.
Yashri.
Present, sir.
Rina.
Present.
Then Vedant. Vedanshu, no? Vedanshu.
Sir, Devansh.
Devansh present.
Yes, sir.
Devansh present. Medash. Medash is not there.
No, sir. Medhansh is not.
I think they have got class at 6. Chalo, complete till this, huh? Completed. Can I clear it off?
Yeah.
Must be separated by distance.
Very important. Fix 2 mark है इस पे.
Them-
सर कुछ समझा नहीं है M1 M2 R2
F for father है.
सर ग्रेविटी इनटू बॉडी का मास इनटू सेकंड बॉडी का मास अपॉन डिस्टेंस
Upon square of distance.
हाँ सॉरी स्क्वायर ऑफ डिस्टेंस सो
So
वी
when Newton.
फाइंड आउट
Nothing. You will write only this much. According to Newton, force of attraction between two mass is proportional to m1 m2 upon r square. So proportionality sign I removed and wrote equal to g. What is g? Next lecture we will see.
सर ये आप नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में समझाओगे
हाँ फिर से एक बार समझाऊंगा.
थैंक यू सर
Because you are absent.
अरे सर
हाँ. चलो done. Everybody is copied.
Yes.
या सर
So we are meeting on Saturday